how to change keyboard language on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change keyboard language on Android phone. First, then open your keyboard and then just click here to get more options, and then just click more or settings, and here you will find your keyboard settings. Now all you need to do is just you need to find languages, and here you can add any language you want. Just you need to find it and then click on it, it will be added, and that's it. It's easy. And you can remove it if you want just by one click. It's easy. And that's how to change language on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.